It's a bold reimagining of the flying car dream. For now it's for early adopters, but the vision is mass market. Aleph is betting on a future where your car can leap over traffic jams. It's not just a flying car, it's a car that flies when you need it. The Model A is turning comic book fantasy into reality. The future of personal transport just got a lot more interesting, and it's already taking flight. If you're watching the Paris Olympics, you might spot the future of urban transport overhead. Volocopter is launching the world's first commercial air taxi service during the Games with their VoloCity aircraft. This isn't a demo, it's a fully regulated, ticketed service. The VoloCity is an 18-rotor eVTOL designed for short, quiet city hops. It's a two-seater with plans for future autonomy. Range 22 miles, top speed 68 miles per hour. Perfect for airport-to-city or scenic flights. Volocopter is building the whole ecosystem: vertiports, booking software, and regulatory partnerships. The Paris launch is the result of a decade of development and thousands of test flights. Service will run on predefined routes connecting key city locations. This controlled rollout builds public trust and manages air traffic safely. Volocopter's vision goes beyond passengers. They're developing cargo drones and longer-range models too. The Olympics are a global stage to prove air taxis work in a real city. If successful, it's a huge leap for the industry. Urban air mobility will be on display for millions. The world is watching, and the future is flying. Volocopter is ready to show what's possible. The age of the air taxi is here, and Paris is just the beginning. So, how do flying cars actually work in 2025? It comes down to a few breakthroughs. Distributed electric propulsion, multiple small electric motors and propellers, means redundancy and safety.